So in this video, guys, I have created the #1 eating course. If you want to know how to develop wealth creation, become a more successful individual, well, I think the hidden secret that people haven't been talking enough is eating. See, here's the thing. You want to become part of the 1% in the world, but are you doing what the 1% do? See, I'm sure that when I create this course, less than 0.01% of the population will join the course, making you part of the 0.01 if you join. I know the price seems steep, but let me tell you something. Money is not real. Value doesn't exist, and therefore you could pay whatever you wanted to. If you don't have the money with you right now, I recommend you get a loan so you can buy my eating course. Or if maybe you believe that eating is not up your forte, but you'd still like one of my courses, well, let me tell you something. I've got an absolutely brilliant course on how to stay hydrated. It only costs $500, and it's definitely not a ripoff of this person's course. Or if that's not up your forte, how about I teach you guys how to breathe? Recently, this has been very successful. I can charge people $550 per 90 minutes. But what is the point of this video? Well, look, what I'm trying to get at here is that people are paying ridiculous amounts of money for courses that are really stupid. I mean, ultimately, what are you actually paying for in half of this stuff? I've seen self-improvement YouTubers make plenty of decent content and talk about very important things, but then salt my apples. They censor my hentai by creating these courses that people pay ridiculous amounts of money for information that really should be free. The truth is that a lot of people actually struggle to just accept themselves and take on their reality as truth, and they need some authority to try and help them say that what they think is true. Well, let me teach you something. Everybody's fucking lost. No one knows what they're talking about. When I'm talking about on this YouTube channel, I'm just hoping to inspire you guys. There is no information for me to tell you. It's not like if I told you rub your balls 3 times in the morning, suddenly you become more consistent at the gym. Do you want to know how to become more consistent at the gym? You wake up and you go to the gym. Or maybe you do it after work or whenever through the day. Yeah, in fact, you could do it whenever. Just go to the gym. That's how you stay consistent at the gym. Hey, if you want to know also how to lose weight, I've got some really good information too. You eat less and work out more. Secret information told to me by the ancients of society and the most elite. See, what exactly information are people looking for nowadays? You're paying for courses to stay motivated. What do you expect these people to say? Like, to wake up and stand up straight and do 10 star jumps, and eventually, if you do this enough times in the morning, you'll become more motivated. I get it. Look, guys, I like Tony Robbins too, but what are you actually paying for when you do his courses? You're going to go there, he's going to talk about, you know, harmoniously, you're going to sing together like a choir, and it's going to inspire you, and then you're just going to go out there and you're going to change the world. Like, anyway, back to the topic. What information are you really looking for? Well, what is it that you actually think you're missing? If you already know the information deep down, stop looking for recognition in others as to what you're doing wrong. I'm sure, let's say, okay, hypothetically speaking, you're trying to get a girlfriend. Have you considered talking to girls in an area that associates with yourself? You know, maybe going to, like, let's say you're a very artsy person. Have you considered going to an arts class? The facade we play with ourselves nowadays about us needing someone to approve of the actions that we do. Sometimes I wonder where it comes from, but I reckon I have a pretty decent answer. Stop looking for recognition in other people's beliefs just for you to go and do something worth doing. And please, for the sake of God, stop paying $500 for courses on how to drink water. All right, guys.